My son was in China and I didn't get to go visit him because I knew I couldn't walk around. Like, it would be a waste of my time. And to think that I turned that down because I was so immobile at the time. By the time that I realized I needed a knee replacement, I was really in a bad way. You can get a knee replacement to go to Walmart and have coffee, or you can get a knee replacement to still have a great life and be active. And I was really clear that I was going to be active, that's who I was. The best thing that I can say about rehab is if you're willing to put the work in, the people at the DMC were just fantastic with pushing me. It really took them believing in me, but me believing in them at the same time. Since I had my knees replaced, I took up powerlifting. And in the summer of 2019, I won the Michigan Senior Olympics, and we had the Winter Games for the Michigan Senior Olympics, and I was the best lifter again. I have a goal, because that's not good enough. I'm planning on going to Worlds in 2021. I know I will win it all. There's no question in my mind. If I run into people that are struggling with making that decision to have their knees replaced, the only thing I tell them is don't waste another minute. You'll never look back and say, why did I do this? You're just gonna look back and say, why didn't I do it sooner?